and my messenger. You can message me there. So that if I'm already in the Philippines, I will message you. Come and visit me. You stay in my house, even in the farm. Are you willing to stay in the farm? Very near in the sea. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Just leave the message there. I want to look for it. That's my messenger. So that is messenger is easy. I can talk to you also. I can call you also. Yeah, I want to see if one hour already. 3 minutes more. La, la, la. My wheelbarrow. I put the. Thank you. All right, thank you so much. I will accept you. I will accept you after this. I use my one cell phone to live. Yeah, I will accept you after this. I got 3 minutes more to go. 3 minutes. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm happy we can keep in touch and I can call you and see me and see you. Did you call later? I want to show you my horses and my doggies. You know all my doggies is all rescue. I rescue them, you know, when they are a puppy. I train them myself by myself. When they are a puppy, I let them friend with my cats. So now when they see each other, they didn't fight with the cat because I trained them to friend each other. Yeah. Thank you so much. I love you for staying in my life. I have a blessed night to you. Have Have a blessed day to me. Thank you so much. I'm already 1 hour. I want to end already. I love you all, guys. Bye.